Sharita, and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I'm just going to unbox my fall decor. I pulled it down from the attic. So I just want to make it warm. I want to use neutral colors to decorate for fall. I'm going to go ahead and see what I have. That way I'll know what I need. And I'm going to put some of the items where they're going. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to unboxing. Now, I will say this. This is the only thing that I purchased this year so far, as well as, of course, some pillows. I just want to show you these. I got these from Amazon. It's a package of 6. It was $19.99. I'll leave a link in the description for these, as well as some that I really do like and I'm considering purchasing for those of you who are interested. And I'll probably just use the soft colors in it. I'll probably put the darker colors on the bar somewhere like that. So let's go ahead and finish unboxing. And like I said, these items I just pulled out of the attic, and we're going to just go through and see what we're going to use. So I know I'm going to use these. They are, I got these from Joann's last year, and all they had was 3. I bought the 3 that they had. I don't think I'm going to use the silver. I'm going to use these. These I got from Hobby Lobby. Probably won't use that unless they use it outside. I'll put it back up. Of course, a lot of people got the Grateful, Blessed, and Thankful. I will be using these on the bar cart, so I'm going to pull these out. Use that. Can you see Thankful? Now, last year I spelled our name with some that are similar to these. Use these. I will use these pumpkins. So basically everything that I'm pulling out is probably just going to be pumpkins. So I got 3 of these. Pretty sure they have some more of those. And then this is like a lid that goes to a candle. So I'm going to use a candle that I already have. I'm not a big fan of candles that smell like Thanksgiving, pumpkins and things like that. I just like what I like, so. And I think this is another one. Okay, so this is the Blessed. So we're going to use that one. And then we're going to use the Big Welcome. We'll put that at the front door somewhere. And we'll put the silver. That's probably cute for somewhere else, but not in here. I know I got a couple more boxes. Hopefully this is all I need. We got this pumpkin. I got that one from Home Goods last year. So that's a pretty bronze. It was $24.99 last year. I'm pretty sure they'll probably bring that back out. Now these were pretty pricey. I got these from a boutique. I thought I did leave the tags on them because I try not to forget how much I paid for them. And they were on the bottom, so. But this is definitely something that you can make if you wanted to. Even with the ones I just purchased, if you wanted to go back and add some feathers. Actually, I do have some feathers that I could add to some of those just to give it a softer look. And these were the ones in the champagne color. This one was $35 from the boutique, and this one was $25. I do have links to these velvet pumpkins with the feathers. I'll leave the links in the description for anyone who's interested. This one is the orange color, but this one will be going probably on the bar. Okay, so these little stems, I'll probably stick them. I'll just leave them in this box. And the only other thing is this. I could have sworn I had more. I don't know. I might have another box that has some stuff. If so, I bring it out. But we're just going to put these items out for now. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I have some more of these though, and I need them for that bowl. Okay, so these are going back in the attic. Let's go ahead and we're going to change these out. Just going to use this little cupcake stand to add some height to the bowl because I want the books to go slightly under that bowl to add some height and dimension. And as you can see, I did swap those bowls out. I want to use the larger bowl on this table, and then I'll use the smaller bowl on the entryway table. I pulled this beautiful vase from the dining area. I got it from Home Goods, and I feel like it'll be the perfect height for the cocktail table. I wanted to add some fall florals, something light and airy, because I do not want to block the view of the person sitting across from anyone in this area. And then I also got these West Am, and they go so well with these, but they're going on this chair. So that one will go there, and I got one more to go there. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. I'm going to go ahead and finish decorating the space, but I wanted to jump on and let you all know that I really do appreciate you all for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed and you like my content, please hit that subscribe button and turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Now I am about to go shopping. I have $125 budget, and I'm going to finish decorating my dining room as well as the credenza that's in the main living area. And let's stretch it a little bit further. I do want to see if I can use that $125 to complete the kitchen as well as the hearth room. So please stay tuned for my upcoming video. I'm going to probably do a haul and kind of put those items where they're going. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.